Write a console program to store what is that? To store?
Yes, to store employee name and basic salary.
1 minute. Employee name and basic basic
Salary.
salary. Come on.
Calculate gross salary
Calculate
and print
calculate
gross
gross
salary
gross salary.
and to
Yes,
print gross salary.
and print gross salary. Print gross salary. Okay. So right. So for this I told you. Yeah. So first you have to calculate HRA. HRA is what on how much 40%.
40%
40%
on
on which
basic.
salary? Basic salary. Next what? DA na? Next
DA. Yes,
DA
DA.
30%.
DA. DA is how much?
30%
30%.
on basic salary.
30% on basic salary. Next TA. TA is how much?
20%.
20%.
20% on basic salary. Okay. Right. Write a console program to store employee name and basic salary and calculate the gross salary, print gross salary, because gross salary equal to basic salary plus HRA plus DA plus TA. If you want to calculate gross salary, first you have to calculate HRA. HRA will be 40% on basic salary. Daily allowance will be 30% on basic salary. TA travel allowance will be 20% on basic salary. After you calculate, then only will get the gross salary. Once you got the gross salary, once you got the gross salary, output should be what? Output should be what? Come on.
Rama
Basic
salary.
salary
Rama is here employee name. Okay. Rama gross salary is
gross salary.
is gross salary, some gross salary, whatever it is. Rama gross salary, some gross salary. Okay, na? So this is the task one. Task one. Okay, right. Yeah. Now for this you have to write the program. Let's write the program. Yes. I hope you are all completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Right. And whatever programs I am giving you, every time you remember, whenever I am giving a task, write the program. Not only writing program, write the program, and even though you implement handwritten tracing is very very powerful, and that handwritten tracing copy also you send me together with program. So here writing program is 50% effective, and doing handwritten tracing will effective around 50%. So because of these two activities, a person can become a good programmer. To improve programming skills, this is only the tips which are there, no doubt. But people should have patience. Then only you can become a good programmer. See, .NET course will complete day by day, but what will happen? End of the day, only few people are becoming the best, who are putting more efforts and sincerity, dedication, regularity, all these things. Especially regarding assignments. Suppose you are not doing assignments, that is effect for you only. That ultimate results will be you will only face. Okay, no doubt about that. You should feel so responsible about assignments. Even though whenever I forgot to give assignments, you should ask me. Okay. So remaining time of the day, you should work on assignments. That's the reason I've shared you on lab book also. Okay. That is up to you. Right. Yeah. How many are completed two assignments? Bhushan completed, huh? Did you send to me? Pandu. Neha didn't attend. Bhushan didn't give response. Pandu no response. Poonam,
Completed, sir.
did you send to me?
Yeah, I sent. I
Kalyani,
sent you both the mails.
Kalyani, did you send to me?
Yes, sir, I have sent.
Renuka, Renuka didn't have Visual Studio. Okay, Sammy Khan, Sammy,
Forwarded you last night.
sent you.
Last night I forwarded.
Okay, Shiva,
Sir, I have sent.
Sravanti,
Yes, sir, I did one too.
Did you send to me or not?
No, sir, I will send you.
Sriharsha?
The completed, sir, did not send. I'll send
Sukanya?
it today.
Sukanya? Uma?
Yes, sir, I completed. I sent it
Urmil?
yesterday.
Urmil? Urmil? Vinil?
Yes, sir, I sent yesterday.
Vinod? 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 Right. Okay. Now let's store this employee name string ename equal to, come on. Vinil, tell me the code. Ename equal to what?
Rama.
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 Rama. Right. Now according to that requirement, I hope you understood the requirement. Now, right. Poonam, tell me the code. Poonam, tell me the code.
Yes, sir. In a double gross sal,
Double,
basic sal,
double directly grasp.
basic sal.
Huh?
No,
Basic,
basic sal,
basic
basic
sal
sal,
equal to, let's say 1000. 1000, you take it as a 1000.
1000.
Okay. Now Kalyani, continue the program.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Double gross sal equal to basic sal plus basic sal into 40.40 plus basic sal into.
Now according to that, what I have to do here in this statement, first what I have to
Can we initialize, sir, can we initialize the variables, sir?
Yeah, it's
so
double
first
gross.
calculate HRA. First calculate HRA because
So it's
if you need gross salary, you need to calculate HRA. You need to calculate what is that TA. You need to calculate
I just took one variable, so like
T.
gross
Okay,
salary and
directly you can calculate. Now tell me first double
double
HRA is
HRA
equal to
equal
HRA
to
equals to
uh,
basic sal
double
basic
HRA
sal
equal to
Basic salary into
into
right. What is
basic
that?
sal
40/100.
0.40.
Basic salary
basic salary
into 0.40.
0.40.
40.
40.
Next calculate DA. Now Vinil continue the code. Vinil continue the code.
Yes, sir. Basic salary
Double
equal to
double
double
DA
TA
equal
equal to
to
Double DA is equal.
basic
basic
sal
salary into
into 0.5.
0.30.
0.30.
Next, now you are calculating TA.
TA.
Come on.
Double TA equal to
Double TA equal to basic sal
basic salary into 0.20.
0.20. Right? Now,
Yes.
after this, we have to calculate SAMI. You have
Gross
to calculate
Gross
what?
sal.
SAMI.
gross salary.
You have to calculate what?
Gross sal.
Gross salary, sir. Gross
Now,
salary.
I'm addressing a person. Let him speak and that person immediately has to
Okay.
respond. Remaining people keep quiet. Okay, now calculate gross salary. Now, come on, tell me.
Double
Double
gross sal,
gross
gross salary equals to
equal to
basic sal plus HRA plus DA
basic
plus
sal
TA.
plus
Semicolon.
HRA plus DA
DA plus
plus
TA.
plus TA. TA. Okay,
Semicolon enter.
that's it.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, next statement is what? Urmil, continue. Urmil. Now Urmil.
Console dot right.
Urmil, give me the next line. Uma, continue otherwise.
Yes, sir.
Console dot right.
The next is
Uma,
the console right line.
Console dot
console
right.
dot right line,
Console dot right line.
right line,
E-name
E
in
name,
the
name,
brackets, E-name
double
plus
quotes,
double quotes,
gross salary
gross
is
salary
salary
is
is,
yes,
salary
double
yes, gross salary.
plus gross salary.
right, plus gross salary.
The semicolon at the end.
1 minute, plus gross salary and yes, here you have to write semicolon, right? Yeah.
Here.
Now, after we have written this program, what we have to do, we have to trace. We have to trace. Okay. Now we have to execute the program. So
No,
now
sir.
let me trace the program. All of you observe. Now compilation and execution. See, uh, these are all the programs initially giving more clarity about coding. You can observe the code has how many lines output for this program, Vinod, Vinod,
Output.
Vinod.
7.
One line of output is one line.
One line
No, no.
output.
My question is, Vinod, are you there? How many? Otherwise, anyone who is there? Okay. Shiva, how many lines output?
1.
One line, sir.
Online. But how many line code? Around
9 lines.
10 lines.
around 10 line code. 10
10
line code. Output is only one line. Here our intention is learning logic. Learning
Yes.
logic. Learning logic. Okay. If you will learn like this logic tomorrow, once we entered into advanced programming, you will play volleyball and football. My student will able to write the programming only because of my basic foundation. The foundation what I will give you first 20-25 days is matter. That will give you a lot of comfort when you are learning ASP.NET, ADO.NET. You will never feel confusion. Okay. So logic, it is important. Actually, this type of learning you should do at the time of you are learning C language. Actually, but that we are covering in C#.NET. Right. Now, when you run this application, program execution starts by main method. Main method. Okay. Right. Yes. Ename Rama basic sal 1000. In this statement, what will execute first? Swathi, in this statement, what will execute first?
Right lane,
Right? RHS or LHS?
RHS.
RHS stands for right hand side. Okay. What is basic sal?
Basic salary,
1000.
1000,
1000 into 0.40 means total
400.
value is how much?
400.
400. And the next LHS will create. LHS will create a variable. Next control will execute. Control will execute what? Assignment operator. Assignment operator is doing what? Assigning the RHS value into LHS. Assigning the RHS value into LHS. What is that value? HRA. Okay. Right. Next control will execute this statement. Here also 1000. 1000 into 0.30. That is, what is the value here, Vinil?
Sir, 0. 1000 into 0.30.
0.30. Final calculated value is how much?
300.
1000 into 300.
300. And LHS will create a variable. Next assignment. Now 300 is the DA. DA. Okay. Now after this, next calculate DA. 1000 into 0.20. 70,000 into 0.20. How much value will be replaced in the right hand side?
1000,
Into 0.20. 200.
200
LHS will create a variable and assignment. Assigning. Now after this, control will execute this statement. In this statement, Uma, tell me, what will execute first in this statement?
The right RHS, sir. Basic
RHS.
sal.
RHS, tell me, what is basic sal?
Basic sal is 1000
1000. And HRA is how
plus
much? 400.
what is it? It's 40%, right?
300.
HRA
300.
400, 300, 200.
200.
Total value is how much?
1900.
1900. 1900 will be replaced in the right hand side. This is tracing is important. You're not listening my words, guys. I observed. LHS will create a variable. LHS will create a variable. Now control will assign RHS value to LHS. RHS value to LHS 1900. Next console dot write line and ename Rama. Rama gross salary is, Rama gross salary is, right, gross sal, how much it is? Rama gross salary is gross sal, how much it is? 1900. And the
99.
red line will hold the output window. Now immediately live, I have a doubt about you people. You are not that much fast in programming compared with the previous batch because hardworking nature is very less in this batch I observed. You do one thing, take one paper, open your code,
Yes.
left side your code is there, take one paper, trace this logic line by line and here RHS is OP. Here logic, mathematical calculation called ename or statement, ename, one variable created. Okay, data type string value, Rama, like that full tracing. This paper, scanned paper immediately you send to my mail ID. Mail ID is to which mail ID? rnreddyitschool@gmail.com. rnreddyitschool@gmail.com. Until unless I will not get the mail from any one student also I will not continue the class. Now I want you to see your tracing and I'll check your paper in front of all the people now. Come on, send me fast. Even though you have done previously, I don't mind. I want now. Come on, do it. Did you understand my task for you guys? Now you
Yes,
don't
yes,
even
sir.
write the program. Already you have the program. Open the program like this and take one pen and paper and using that pen and paper trace the code. OP and mathematical tracing and complete tracing. How I have done, you have to do like that. Send to me, to mail. Fast.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Completed, guys?
Yes, sir.
Or how many people sent to me?
I did, sir.
I did, sir.
Yeah. Who are completed? Who sent to me? Bhushan, Giri,
I saw, sir.
Neha, Pandu, Poonam, Kalyani.
Yes, sir.
Sir, there.
Right. Okay, fine. Okay. See, you should also take that much
Seven pending, sir.
seriousness. Huh? Right. Okay, guys. Next, let's go to the task 2. Let's go to the task 2, guys. Okay. Because tracing, you should not only enjoy when I am explaining tracing. You should also be able to do the tracing. Then you will get excellent output, guys. Okay. Now tell me, task 2. Come on.
Write a program to store customer name and
Write a custom
price of
program to store customer name,
And customer 3 products,
and customer three
cost,
products costs, that is
P1 cost,
P1 cost, comma P2
P2
cost,
cost,
comma P3 cost,
P3 cost,
P3 cost,
and give 10% discount on P1 cost.
give 10% discount on. When you are listening the requirement, listen, try to understand more and more. I understood, not like that. Understand, read 10 times. Discount on P1 cost. Come on.
Give 20% discount on P2 cost.
Calculate 20% discount on P2 cost. Mm, mm, mm.
30% discount on P3 cost.
30% discount on P3 cost. P3
P3
cost.
cost.
So completed this program. Then
Calculate,
Yes, sir.
finally calculate
calculate total bill.
total bill and print like below. Na? Any other
Yes, sir.
discount? Any tax?
No.
No
no
tax.
tax.
Now we have to print Rama total
Rama, total bill
bill
is.
is
Total.
like this. Right? This is the
Yes, sir.
requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Right. Come on. I don't want to leave a single person this time. Every person has to get the job after course completion within 10 to 15 days. Okay? Uma, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Immediately after
Yes,
training
sir.
completed, will you try for job, IT job?
Yes, sir.
Now you are working for school, already working, or you resigned?
No, sir. I'm working for the medical billing right now.
Yeah, if you are
I'm working
working in
from
that field,
home.
immediately after training is completed, you start interviews and you are going to switch into IT industry, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you got job in IT industry of 80K, it is like a bit of miracle.
Probably. Yes, sir.
How long you are working for this field, that medical field or something you said?
For the past 5 years.
No, total your number of years work experience. That, that, total.
In teaching and this
And
thing. And
everything. In US, how long you are?
around 20 years, sir.
Around 20 years. After 20 years, you are switching into IT industry. It's a great. So I think it's a great news in your friend circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Within first interview, you have to get the job. I will train you like that. Okay. First interview, you have to get the job. Not second. Even though don't want to don't take the chance of second interview. Okay. Right. Get ready like that.
Okay,
You have
sir.
to prepare. Now, guys, come on. We have to write the code now. Yes. Yeah. Neha, come on. Tell me the code. Neha. Giri, come on. Tell me the code. Neha.
String E name.
Not E name. First name. First name equal to name. Giri, are you there? Giri, are you there? Giri Prasad. Next, Poonam. Come on, continue the code. Giri, can you respond? What is happening with you? You're not in office, right? Come on. Kalyani, continue the code.
Double P1 cost equal to 100.
Double P1 cost equal to, let's say 1000. You take 1000. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Double P2 cost equal to 2000.
Otherwise, we'll take 100 or just make simple values. Now. Double.
Yeah. P2 cost equal to 200.
200.
Double P. Okay.
Double
Double
P3
P3 cost equal to 300.
300. Okay. Whenever you are
And
writing this type of programming, take simple values. Don't try with unnecessary complicated values. Okay. Right. Your values are not important. Understanding is important. Now you have to calculate what you have to calculate now first after
discount.
this. Renuka, any idea now what you have to calculate now?
Sir,
Now what you have to calculate?
Total bill.
Total bill. Before total bill,
Total bill.
you have to calculate. You have to give 10%
Discount.
on which cost? P1 cost. Okay.
P1 cost.
So,
Yes.
10% discount. 10% discount on P1 cost. First, you have to calculate. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Renuka, about the statement? What you have to write here?
P1 cost is equal to
Is 1 equal to
Now
100
it is what exactly you know. You remember Renuka here. You have to calculate. Did you listen videos, C# recordings, all?
somewhat, sir. Listening, sir, still.
Listening. Okay, fine. It's okay. Now I'm giving chance to Urmil. Come and tell me. Urmil is not. I think he's busy. Okay.
100 into. No, I have come back.
No, come on. Now onwards. Just now I'll send a message. You are watching now, right? Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm expecting lot from you. I've given a lot of. Okay, your father spoken to me and he is praising me like anything. After that, he will scold me. Okay, if we didn't get the result.
No.
That will happen. Now tell me.
No, that won't happen.
Now tell me. Double?
Yeah. Double P1 cost equal to.
Not P1 cost. Now P1 cost is already there.
discount?
We have to calculate what P1 cost is.
Discount.
Okay. So what you can do? You can calculate like this. P1 disk. P1 disk store into one variable. Am I right? How to calculate
Yes, sir.
P1 cost? Now tell me.
Cost
P1 cost into
0.1.
0 point?
into 0.1.
How much percentage? I think 10. 0.10. Okay, very good. Now 20% discount. 20% discount on P2 cost. P2 cost. Okay. Now Urmil, continue the code.
Double P2 disk equal to P2 cost
P2
into
disk
0.2.
equal to P2 cost into 0.20.
20%.
0.20, I think 20%, I think, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, 30% discount on P3 cost. P3 cost. Okay. Now, yes, Urmil, continue.
Double P3 disk equal to P2 P3 cost
equal
into
to
0.3.
P3 cost into 0.30.
0.30.
So what you are doing, you are calculating individual product discounts. Okay. Now, yes. What you have to do now? Now what you have to do?
Double total bill equal to
Total bill.
Okay. Now you have discs, you have cost. So what we have to do first? We have to add all the cost into total bill. I think. Am I right?
yes.
No, total disc and total.
Total discount. You do one thing.
First you have to calculate.
Total discount will keep in one variable.
140.
Otherwise, we'll take like this.
Yes, sir.
We'll see. Double total bill
Total disc.
equal to first add all the costs into one place. What is that?
P1
cost.
P1 plus P2 plus 3.
P1 cost.
P1 cost plus P2 cost.
P1 cost plus P2 cost plus P3 cost. Right. Now, see, here you have cost without discounts. Now, all the discs keep into one variable. Double disc, total disc. This is what is total disc. Are you understanding? Total disc
Yes, sir.
equal to, come and tell me guys, mathematics. Simple mathematics.
P1
I
dash
also don't know
This one,
mathematics.
this
Simple
P1,
mathematics. See, mathematics,
P1
simple
days
mathematics,
plus
you are
P2
converting
days
into
plus
P1
programming.
disk,
Converting
P1
into
P1
days
dash
logic.
P2 days
plus
plus
P2 dash plus P3.
Come on, tell me, what is that? Huh?
P1
P1
days
disk,
plus
P1 dash plus
P1
P2 dash
days plus
plus
P2
P2
P3
disk,
disk
P plus
plus
P3
P3.
P3 disk.
P3 dash.
P3 disk. P3 disk. Come on, guys. So you observe.
total bill equal
Now,
to
now tell me. Total bill equal
double.
equal
not
to
required. Again, double is not
Total
required.
bill minus
equal to
total
total
disk.
bill
Because
minus
already we
total days.
declared the variable.
Total dash.
Total bill equal to, come on, Urmil, continue the code.
Total
Now,
bill
your
minus
part.
total days.
Total
Total
plus
bill,
dot disk.
total bill
Minus
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 minus total
total
days.
disk.
total disk.
Total disk. Now, come on.
Console dot write line total bill is this.
Console dot write
Dot right line.
Write line
Name
console dot write line customer name
Customer name.
plus customer name plus total
Total bill.
bill
total
Bill
bill
is
Bill
is
is
total
plus
bill
total bill.
is
plus total
what?
bill.
Plus what bill?
Total bill.
Oh, sorry,
Total
Total
bill.
bill.
total is
Total bill.
total bill.
total bill.
Total bill.
Console dot read line.
Total bill. Okay, right. Semicolon. Yeah. Now console dot read line. Console dot read line. Console dot read line. This is the program. Final output for this program is how many lines? Only one line. Observed,
460.
this time I'm not tracing first. First tracing is yours. Second tracing is mine. We are changing the style. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is your duty? Program is in front of you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Right. You keep the program like this in front of you. Right side, take pen and paper. Do mathematical tracing. Here OP like this, and here complete maths calculations, and send me the doc to me through mail immediately. Every person has to do. Come on. Okay. That copy, just mobile scan.
I traced that program, sir, but I took only one variable for discount, sir. I totally calculated all the discounts in a single variable.
Okay, you can do like that also. First, what we will do, we'll write the program like this. Slowly, we'll reduce the number of variables. Initially, if you try to reduce the number of variables, somebody may understand, somebody may not understand. That is a problem. Okay? You trace
Okay, sir.
according to your program, whatever. Finally, is it giving output or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
That is important. Okay? But see, I used to give simple programming initially because different people will be there in the class. One more point is a program. A program can a program can write in different ways. Okay.
Sir, I have sent you, sir.
Okay. No. How can you trace within 2 minutes?
I was already writing,
No.
sir.
Now trace one more time.
Okay, sir.
Right. Completed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. How
Yes,
many are
sir.
completed tracings? Did you send to me, Doc?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll trace. At the time of doing this tracing, I'll ask you questions. You should be ready. But I observed having very good like logic here. Observed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh? But I don't know how did you trace. But actually, the tracing should be very like neat. Means what? Every pinpoint you have to trace. Every pinpoint, every calculation, every value change should be there. Should be reflected in your pen paperwork. But I don't know. If you have done like that, it will be good for you. Observed. I'll do here. Right. See, output is not matter for us. Okay. Final, we need to get this value. Okay. Right. So, guys, you observe. Are you ready? Yeah. Now, first this statement will create. Execute. Will create a variable and storing value called Rama. Second, P1 cost 100, P2 cost 100, 200, P3 cost 300. Like that, according to that, in your book, when I am asking you trace, you have to create variables, store values. Next, after this, here, yes. What is here RHS will execute? What is P1 cost?
100, sir.
100.
Yeah. Prashanti, what is that? 100. 100 into 0.10. Total RHS value is how much, Prashanti, after calculation?
10.
10 rupees. 10 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And LHS will create a variable. Then RHS 10 rupees will be stored into P1 disk. Next to 20%. Again, 200 into 0.20. Yes. How much we need here? 200 into 0.20.
40 rupees.
Vinil, Uma, how much?
40 rupees, sir.
40 rupees. 40 rupees and LHS will create a variable. Again, that 40
Yes, sir.
rupees will be stored into P2 disk. Okay. Next to P3 cost is how much?
300.
300.
300.
300 into 0.30. How much?
90
90.
rupees.
90 rupees. See, in your calculation, I don't know whether you are following or not. Mathematics
Yes.
calculation should be like this. How you have to show, 300 into,
Into 0.3.
you should write like this. I have shown you on first day.
Yes, sir.
0.3030. I'm worrying about all these things because if you will have this type of tracing knowledge, it will be helpful for you. What is the amount here?
Yes, sir.
90.
90.
90. Up to here only RHS part execution. Next LHS part execution is nothing but creating a
Creating the
variable.
variable.
What is the variable here? P3 disk.
P3 disk.
P3 disk. You have to show like this. And assignment. Assignment is doing what? Assigning. What is the value? 90 rupees, I think, right? Assign
Yes.
Signing from
90.
RHS to
Okay,
LHS.
90. So in this way you have to trace. This I am expecting from you guys. Okay. So see, I cannot check every doc, but I'm guiding you. I'm putting a lot of pressure on you, even though, okay, out of my range, even though I'm crossing my limits sometimes. I'm forcing you. because want to give the best result to each and every student. Okay, behind every student there is a family. Your career is depending. Last batch so many people attended, but 9 students got excellent output. Remaining people are slowly getting result because of irregularity about classes, irregularity of assignments. That I told to them clearly that. So follow me blindly, we'll get output extraordinary. 8 people got awesome results. This time I don't want to give chance to single student. Okay. Next, after this, what happened? This statement
Then
is
it's
Total bill.
total bill.
RHS. P1 cost. How much P1 cost? 100
100.
plus 200 plus 300.
300.
Total,
600.
600.
I think 600. And LHS will create a variable. And
Variable.
600 will be assigned into
Yeah, yes.
total bill. After this,
Total.
again, RHS, P1 disk. P1 disk is how much?
10
P1
rupees.
disk is how much?
90.
10 rupees
10 rupees.
plus 20 plus 30. Total how much?
Plus 40 plus
Sorry, 10 plus 40, yeah?
total 140.
Plus 90, yeah?
Yes, sir.
140.
Yes.
Yeah, total how
10
much?
plus 40 plus 90.
50 plus 90.
140.
140. LHS will create a variable. The variable will contain variable. After that, assignment. 140 will be assigned. Next, total bill is how much?
600.
600 minus total disk. Total disk is how?
140.
Total disk
Minus
is 140.
140.
So,
140.
300 total bill.
No, total 600, sir.
600
Total bill is
minus
600.
140.
140.
How much?
460.
460.
460.
Yeah.
460 into
Now LHS
460.
will be recognized. Here variable will not create. Already variable is created. That variable is having a value called how much? 600. 600. In
Yes,
this
sir.
place what will happen? It will not create variable one more time. It will get recognized the existing variable. Babu, total bill, where are you? Total bill will say I am here. Already it has a value called 600. Then now RHS contain how much value?
460.
460. Now control will execute assignment operator. That assignment operator will assign like this. Already 600 is there. At a time, in a single chair, how many people can sit?
One
Only
person
one
can
person. Like that, a variable also can contain only one value. That's why this value will be overwrite and this value will be replaced. What is the value? 460. Now after this, console dot write line. After that, console dot write line, cost name. Cost name. Console dot write line. What is that? Cost name.
customer.
Total bill. Total bill is Rama. Total bill is total bill. How much? 460. This is the story. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, yes, right. Let me give you some assignments for next class, and this time you are getting long weekend. Tomorrow I have a personal work. That's why we are not organizing the class. Next class will be on Monday. Meanwhile, you should do more tasks, more assignments, and next we are going to start a topic called data types. Data types is the next topic, and assignments I am planning. Task 1. Task 1, take it properly. When I am sending through chat, why you are not saving in notepad means you are not caring about that. If you are really serious, immediately you will do what you know, you will save in notepad, I am sure, copy paste. That indicates your how serious you people are, and as well as otherwise simultaneously record on paper. Anyone is good. Sorry. Write a console program. Write a console program. Same. To store cost name and 3 products cost. 3 products cost. P1 cost, comma P2 cost, comma P3 cost. Yes. 30% discount on P1 cost. 20% discount on P2 cost. 10% discount on P1 cost. P1 cost.
P or P1, sir.
P3 cost.
Sorry,
P3.
P3 cost. I'm sorry. P3. Okay, P3 cost. Then calculate total bill, then again give 15% discount on total bill. Then after discount 20% tax. 20% tax. After discount 20% tax. Finally display total bill after tax like OP. Rama total bill is that is task 1. Task 2 is same as task 1, but output should be Rama total discount is how much discounts you are given, that amounts. Rama paid tax is Rama total bill is right. This is one. Next, task 3.
Sir, one question.
Yeah.
This Rama total bill is before the tax, after the tax?
No doubt. After final bill. Okay, na? Final.
Yes, sir.
What you are paying, that is. Now task 3, same as task 1, but OP should be like below. OP should be like below. Okay, you want to take this? Shall I send through chart?
Yes, sir.
Better record on paper also.
Yes.
Task 1 I said. Did you receive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Task 2 I am going to send now. Task 2 I am going to send. Task 2. Now task 3 should be like below. Output should be like below. Yes, that is right. P1 discount is dash. P2 discount is dash. P3 discount is dash. Rama total discount is dash. Rama paid tax is dash. Rama actual bill is dash. Actual bill means first actual bill, no discount, no tax. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Before tax, before disc, actual prices. Okay, Rama paid bill is. I hope you understood task 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm sending through chart. Yes. Complete 3 programs. How you have to complete? You know, different style this time. Take a pen and paper. Task 1 design, not program. Task 1 design. Task 1 design means generally whenever I'll give a program, before you have to write the design instead of program. Means for task 1 you have to design like this. What are the variables, all these things, and expectable output. So that is little difficult. Okay, fine. As well as usual style. What is that? Write the program and tracing. Write the program, tracing. Program should be on paper. You do wherever you want. I don't know, but what you are sending, paperwork. Program, left side paper, right side tracing. Left side program, right side tracing. Left side program. Like scanned copies I want for these 3 programs. Can you?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the work for you, and we will have to meet. Next class will be on Monday, same time. Okay, guys, we are going to entering into next level. Next level topic is data types. So you have materials. My advice to you all the people, when you are before coming to the class, go through what is going to teach next class by the faculty. That will be good for you. And as well as you have interview question bank. You have interview question bank. That interview question bank, anybody can open interview question bank now?
Yes, sir.
Come on, open it. Interview question bank, open it.
I did, sir.
Yeah, who is this? Uma. I'm sharing your
Yes, sir.
screen. Make presenter. All of you guys also open in your system. Interview question bank. Yes, in this question bank, Uma, down. We have first topic. Oh no, go. First topic, go. Up.
Up.
Bit.
Yes.
Down. That means down. Okay. Titles. I want title page. No. Sorry. Yeah.
Which one you want, sir?
Yeah. Go like same way. Do that. Do the same thing. No, not questions, madam. Syllabus. Syllabus will be there in the top page. Now, after my photo, next page.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Wait, madam. Wait. Here you have 6 topics. So, we are first concentrating this area.
Yes, sir.
Introduction topics. Come on. Now, show that heading, madam.
This one?
Yeah. Show that heading. Come on, down. Now, you move up. Very good. Now, first question. 1 minute, madam. What is .NET Framework? What is Visual Studio? Next, differences between .NET Framework and Visual Studio. 3rd question. 4th question. 5th question. Yes. Down. 6th question. 7th question. And 8th question. 8th question is not discussed, but you have to prepare. 9th question. 10th question. 10th question. 10th question is also not discussed, and 11th question somewhat I have given some. Total number of questions are 11 in the introduction topic. Madam, go like that. Go like that. Go. Next. We are entering to C sharp. Stop. That 11 questions you have to prepare. You have to prepare the 11 questions, and what you have to do, same 11 questions write on paper. Write on paper. What without seeing the book. Question, see in the book. Write your answer, handwritten notes with your pen and paper. Okay. This 11 question and answer is the second assignment. You have to prepare in and out. You have to come to the class. Maybe in the class I'll ask you live questions. You have to explain in front of all the people. This is the second assignment for you. Get ready. Simultaneously, I want to improve your programming skills, your interview skills. Right. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
If you prepare this question bank, job is yours. Maybe 3 interviews max to get the job. I'm sure about that. 2 to 3 interviews. Even though that is also big amount of interviews, I said. Simply you will get the job. That beautiful book it is. That's why you will never prepare yourself. I know very well. simultaneously I am planning to complete this book also. Okay, right. Thank you very much. And what I am expecting from you is only references. Okay, references. What I am expecting, you don't worry about your career.